so me call banking mo akra bank by ne with majuma ewo assembly members me call assembly ewo wenchi enti ye be constitution no na omode district bia elected nipa ba konde no ba consultative assembly enti me na wenchi district ye elected me ma me bae enti tama ye constitution no so na me ye stock exchange course na me adwuma wo NTS no mu ne manema anti after that no na me krom for be yire message see e be fam ma me ko parliament nti na ya dia hadwe para because stock brokerage adwuma no so na mandimu ntintimai course wa ekoye no the whole country me na me di kind na stock brokerage firms no nyina rush for me. Nim say na masisika kwa so ba. And we call for a farm seven Concoye MP. It was a very difficult decision.
That time now one open this that I say you were forced into it.
Then this in my.
Okay.
Then this in my. Na me ye keda.
Okay.
Revolution no buy no. Et me na me lead me at People's Defense Committee e was PDC.
Oh, okay.
A woman assigned by CDR and the at that level there na me oga
that's why you got it.
And me first juma me I be in politics me local
governance
politics
okay.
Yeah, secretary to the town development committee and or hene ni me krum ho nti na say me ana me bibia for some time until within that time no na revolution no see and they convert town development committee no the PDC until those are the things until generally no me ya adwuma na me come anima na me manfo abefa me se brafie be we na me ko
okay
na maya na nti eno nti na mantimi am pursue my career in business no
okay
anti actually local service no mo na ja me be pie politics me.
Wow. Into the MP how many times?
Me did 12 years
3 times. Wow.
Yes.
Now the minister so
4 years
4 years. Oh, okay. What when did you say you're a politician?
Well, manage say me some because officer out situation be muna through contribution improvement ba woni pass tremu a source of anije mame enunti no na tembia challenge bi ba se meja majuma kosomo me choose say mesom either say o man no ana say me kromo ana say bibisa rather than say me pursue me personal parochial interest.
Okay.
I'm saying unti na abedru sam pepenso enti no in politics no say the purpose ne say ye dey some mind there yes manage ho.
Okay, Ebusha, many honorable Johnson ASIEDU NKETIA, the NDC General Secretary na our studio higher bon come on your best if you be more meant to say ya na say ye queen me wade bi ho ampese General wuti mame na me ya to aso
yi dankwa o kan big face no oni se o ya kufu ado ne nana ne ma me wo fa no e na oni se pa wuli William Oforiata ono to kan big face no wa ono se kufu ado ne wo fa nana president kufu ado ne wo fa na wo mo party mu fo no UGCC fo no o ma warware wo mo ke de ne bata e ti se uni se president kufu ado tema o university no no socially ele didi socially demontia imire no be hu se oni be dia akọ iso koka UP abushira no ozne maami oni wo fa oni papa oni nana o mu nyina ba bia o mu wa enie enti oni option dia didn't work up the vice president ya tia kuyashi Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Neire Samira unu sabra o university ni nyina no ya NDC onya kunu wo NDC no mu no bi ware no kamwa anka ne o ya NDC enti ada na dana fo ye ka tamwa na nipa
General.
Yes sir.
The okay any Chief Binding if Yakoto.
Oh, thank you, Binding Assembly.
Because the entire me was outside.
I believe say as a mama can very good.
Okay.
Now that is not to say party in control obiawarism.
Right.
It's not that one. Entire nature money in here babia.
Okay.
We can somebody say awari na no free MPP mo. Possible so betim the number NDC.
Okay.
And me advice no said that you be a matisa man for ye who asem wo social media I still believe say youth for no omunya kununum ne ayirenom wo party mo a eboa ema omugidie no ACP wo party no. But that is not to say party ewo to me say ye direct say chenchina obi anko ware party ni no ye nisa to me no kura
eyi atumi gase say party de mo ye meeting na Chief Binding ba meeting no bia say Joma Hamati wo kura ombeba be bubu we free party na say because not dream say obetime the vital information at the kwabontin. Name how you respond to this one.
Oh, me say those are things I answer me respond to. Well, said some can say oh my no more. Think
we no more dear
no better than say Rana ya kose bra ya wonu nyina discussing these ones, but me ni say necessarily obi ne honkani ana ne busuani party fufuro ni a na che by all means or no so ye party sa party ni meaning bebre wo ye systems no more na ire wo say na ne kunu wo say ne wo fa me ameti ha me wo fa no nyina na wo mo ye MPP for but me ye NDC ni. It's not about me and I mean this was say leadership and party no and political leadership no sexually transmitted.
Political leadership is sexually transmitted.
Just sexually transmitted. And me my own views about the fact is obi say unnecessary say we say unnecessary say no. I don't think so. It doesn't necessarily follow. On say they say Clinton odi ni president kama owi na irika so kwa akopebia they say amfama no.
Sure.
Until these are individual until the more I be sad na e belittle a man no ankasa dignity.
Okay.
Say woman no cannot be citizens of their own unless they are attached to their husbands. Obabia won a right to determine. Say we a minister now you decide to say on your politics here and say change we a minister you didn't so say no Obano must be given the right to decide say opeso your politics and now opeso your politics obetra ni baby say you better abama wa won you better abama now your politics it is your decision. It's not necessarily say what take is a decision no nature say by all means as I say a year will be a decision when each and everybody individual citizen.
Okay. This Airbus issue, what do you think about it, sir?
Oh, me who say be about the Airbus enti a welcome news to say until say president say you investigating. Say Bibia ni hokrani investigate a report to everybody be clear. Investigation at any time is very useful. Whether the answer is obvious or not, investigation be useful. Ukoko investigate se bibia ni mo nipa obi pese o pa asem to ne so no say insanity. So and you can say you investigate na see say bibi wo ho a edisi and I welcome any form of investigation so long as say be fair be more be opportunity to explain timeno bibia me bia obi per question so obi sam wo ho ya na very welcome to me and adwuma bia ma bia obi aka say okwa akohwe akira ya na manage ho sa investigation no ye better than say obi bebo ni siremu na oka asemu a enimu enti wo a ye kan to so no kra ye in your interest say obi be investigate no abeg ka say asemu a ye kan no nye no kra enti me de I welcome that investigation. My problem ni say issues akesia koso no yemfa ni nyina enko through the investigative process no na Ghana fo hunu na kwakoye say bibida eponso sesi ya Ghana fo nyina ka ho asem president no mpenhwe say obe investigate no abetra say ya te say paper bia publish bibibi obabi obi a mefre Ghana ni bia babia obi a mefre Ghana ni bia okoto babia obi a me question bibia o say ya te say ya publish bibibi obabi ntino eno de say eno ye say ya daji wo man mu nyina ne ka ho asem ne investigate ne ye kwarasia ne makesi akesi egu ho a ye investigate no me gidi say nipa wo NDC ma omo kasa no nyina ye about that, but it's not about say obi yes or investigate Airbus. In fact, so obi be through asem no to mu and all can obi aso make effort to investigate ya nka me be me ya pa enti a very good say omo kan ya omo kan say ya refer to obi so investigate, let the person investigate and come and inform Ghanaians.
Mami Musa, very last question on this Airbus thing, because President is a special prosecutor investigating. Time now, motor now we have been what who be before. More been mun Airbus be on better Airbus. No what as the General Secretary then I don't know. So be what here.
Oh, I knew say government could procure military equipment for the Ghana Armed Forces. Yes. Okay.
That time no na we share. There would take no share course on it and ne the uncle foka a webra na yape.
Oh, me just say, Sunday my main person can be say ye brew.
Oh, you be free houses here.
Sunday my no. Near my process na kwa court through parliamentary approval. A whole records in our I will be investigating our ombre. Intino, me one say, first thing I make no idea when say, I buy watching. Because somewhere that why ye ka wontimi nyibia no no ekoko baso okoko tam bibisa abetumu enya dan ya mo media fo emu behuri aso na obia kotranse ebra odi beka de wo ho sesi aho asem no leche say de tie bia odi 5 minutes bi ko kan e bas bi ho asem ne ade say ebi no on say omugidie ni say akroma bo akokoba no amfa no kora say obesesa ne gina bre Entino anya hwekura omudi bibisa abetumu a okay ebe say ya daje ama ya kwa ka ho asem na menyi ni say wo mo actual intention ni say ebia there is some wrongdoing a wo ko hwehwe wo mo pe bibi they are very hot na wo pe bibi they occupy media space na wo ma divert attention from big issues we ho because time wo ko fa ade ebo mu na ade abechia me akoye yampene demonstration about voters register as MKC na they say excavators any galamsey who asem amba eno so asem kese any and some kese bebre South Asia eno nti to get some briefing space no yankofa bibi mebom because say wo mo ba be ka kire media for no say monkan galamsey who asem monkan they say voters register ho asem monkan we ho asem monkan we ho asem a bedding because mo so mo djuma ne say mo ton news enu ntino gise o mo pe wrong news bi mamo ne divert my attention akọ said the bear o mbenya briefing space for am giri say but enti a o mo de ye no nti na sa de me nye hu interviews because the more ube kasa ho no na the more ufu obu a o mo satisfy sa agenda of diversion no
okay
and I mention asem no so so simple we say a BBSC procurement as your procurement laws for my no ye faso ye procurement ya ye procurement ya wie na yakoto afidie sa type of equipment for the security services and so ye wo kwan ye faso editor anya president na koto enunti no those people who are there paper trail any parliamentary approval any who the chief of defense staff was at that time Air Force commander they are all available And now when you documents are available. So why do you waste time on radio on these things which can be verified? And now Matiami do so ya the amano. Or no mechanics won't mean your home. So we'll allow him to proceed.
But I say Barclays Bank say dear Abe dear and Abe APSA Bank Ghana Limited. And the customer said no more that I know class said no more to Mupa class banking. Who do what between who say what be fear and casa. Who bet me call apsa.com.gh and offer 0302 429 One bet you so Sharon Sosa win your next cafe nibia. When you be a swincher, your bonk when you know what you want the crank. You need to start the day well. Start strong and finish strong. It all start with the next cafe. TCL say H9 14th. Ubo Raum showrooms Nina Bia. Adebia Odom Nsem so betobia. 30% discount. And to Bomodiana Sharon so be called Akuma Junction, adjacent Techno, North Industrial Area, opposite Malcolm Plus, La Paz, Takrade, adjacent the post office, Tamale, Fidelity Bank, Dynamo, and for Samuel Building, Emua, where we from 02026 98398 one bedroom so TCL the creative life. Awake purified drinking water in so here pa where they decide they won't no be enya ayarsa every mo they say your bobo sika ne bia no a near the